Alright, here we are back at it again for another video. Another one, working on the ATC stuff. I'm gonna try finishing the tank. It's almost pretty close, getting good to go. Gonna put that on the bike. Bike's down here at a camera. Plus, like I mentioned on the other videos, I got tracks for it. One here, one over there. So, I'm gonna clean these puppies up. Even though they turn nicely, I wanna just go over them once, make sure they're nice and happy, good to go. Maybe paint the frame on it. Check the chain, stuff like that, you know, and then try and mount them up. So, let's roll that intro. So as you can see, by looking at the tracks, one is white and one is black. That's because I've already gone ahead and gone through one and cleaned it up. And it rolls pretty good now. This one, not so much. So I'm going to try and clean this one up, paint it, do the same things as the last one. That one I did off camera just because you don't need to see both of them happen. So I'm going to do the same to this one, clean it all up, paint it, and then put it back together. So let's get this thing going. Alright, check it out. Tracks, Jesus Christ, track is done. As you can see, there's one and the other. Now, of course, it is a 3-wheeler. We need wheels, not tracks. That's just for the wintertime mode. These are the Sun F tires. I don't know, they're like a Chinese knockoff. Maybe they're American, I don't know. They are 16 by 8, 7-inch rim for the stock size because I didn't feel like buying more rims. I already put enough money into this damn thing anyway, and I'm pretty cheap. This was like 120 bucks US, 150 Canadian. I don't really know the good exchange. Either way, it was a hassle getting them here, mainly just because the shipping companies are terrible. Either way, they made it. They're here. Gonna get these bad boys mounted up with rims and finally have this dang 3-wheeler sitting on 3 tires for once in almost a year. So, yeah, it's been a year actually. Let's get it going. Woo. Finally, it's about to sit on its own tires again. Well, new tires. Look at that! Woo! Gonna be sweet. There she is, but as far done as I can get with it. Camera's about to die anyway, so we got to see you guys in the next one. You guys see this bike done and hopefully me ripping it. Yeah! Like and subscribe if you like this Honda type stuff, or if you like some of my surf stuff, you know, be sure to like and subscribe for that as well. If not, sorry you're missing out. Anyways, see ya!